Joy, 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 joy. Amakwana mathafa asemzansi langisuka ajabulisa inhliziyo yami ayangithokozisa. Some people, they don't value what they have until they lose it all. That's when they will realize, hey, they were blessed of who they are. They were blessed of who they are. Joy, 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 joy. The beauty of my culture makes me happy. The beauty of my people makes me smile every day. The beauty of my land makes me jungle like a young man. The beauty of my language makes me smile every day. I am happy, I am an African. I am happy, I am playing. Some people say there's no place like home. Home is home. There's no place like home. Home is home. Even though there is war at home, even though there is political crisis at home, like every nation, we all have our problems. Even though there is injustice at home, even though there is hunger at home, home is home. There's no other way I can be happy. Home is home. There's no other way I can feel joy. Home is home. Some people, they don't value what they have until it's taken away from them.